a tour of the ECOWAS facility. As we know, Sierra Leone, now we host the ECOWAS facility in Afitongia, and we receive the they receive the president as they come they receive the president now as they come to the facility. Well, from with we, as we give you live updates as to what's in the happening right now and the Freetown International Airport. As we say, within the Northwest region, Osai Salon host to the Gabonese Republic President, where they on a 3-day working visit na Sierra Leone. Well, yesterday we see Osai, the president, we go pay courtesy call to President Julius Maada Bio, and then we even sign some communicate them and document them for foster cooperation between the two countries. Then we see the Gabonese Republic, then Foreign Affairs Minister, and also we on our Foreign Affairs Minister, when Timothy Kababi signed that understanding day, then we sign a communique. Well, we receive the president now as he don't reach now the ECOWAS facility within Alungeya, so as in the council the facility with the Gabonese Republic President, when Brice, Oligui, Nguema. We will continue for the way as we continue for give updates as to what's in the happen now. Now the ECOWAS Center, as we say, President Bio, we host the Gabonese Republic President we can at the country on a 3-day working visit, and now the ECOWAS Center as they can tour the facility. Now the president to arrive alongside the First Lady Leone. We will also get the Gabonese Republic President, Brice, Oligui, Nguema. They with the team as they tour the facility.
It's okay.
Well, family, as we say, we did the ECOWAS Center, Usai President Bio, they tour the facility with the President of Gabon, Gabonese Republic, when Brice Oligui.
No.
Well, then they go on the different facilities them now. Now then they enter the ministerial lounge.
This way.
Now they enter the ministerial lounge as then they continue the tour of the ECOWAS facility. Family, as we see, the President Julius Maada Bio did a conducted tour to the Gabonese Republic President and at the ECOWAS Center within Alungea. So, as we don't follow, we see the President, they show the Gabonese Republic President, different side them now the conference center within Alungea. So, as we all know, the Gabonese Republic President in a salon on a 3-day working visit for can foster democratic ties between the two countries them. So Fambul continue for the way as we give you live updates as to what's in the happy now and the Freetown International Airport na Lungea so. Now we're inside the Julius Maada Bio International Conference Center. As we see the president, they show the Gabonese Republic president around the center where ECOWAS get Nasalonia so. If I'm going to continue for the retreat, as we did now, the Nalunge, Usai President Bureau, they get conducted to the Gabonese Republic President, where they in a salon on a 3-day working visit.
Some of your colleagues tell you
Well, viewers, if you just join me, we did na the Northwest region, na Lunge Usai President Biu, they do a conducted tour with the Gabonese Republic President. We can a salon on a 3-day walking visit. Well, today we see the tour, the ex facility, na Lunge.
Thank you, Excellency. Yeah, now go.
Well, Fambulu will continue the tour as we stay within the Freetown International Airport. Usai Nalunge, Usai the president, they do a conducted tour with the Gabonese Republic president when Brice, Oligui, Nguema, we can a salon on a 3-day walking visit. Well, they continue to give you updates as and then just done the conducted tour and we the move. Continue for day with we. Continue for day with we as we continue for give updates as we dey now the ECOWAS facility now the tour President Bio a conducted tour with the Gabonese Republic president. It don't show them the different all them where they inside the facility. I'm going to continue for day with the Salon Broadcasting Corporation as we said earlier we dey na the ECOWAS Center na Lunge, so President Bio they do a conducted tour with the Gabonese Republic president where they na the country on a 3-day walking visit. Well, it just gave a tour of the Julius Maada International Conference Center where they na Lunge, so.
Broadcaster and award winner for a reason. We produce only the best.
At SLBC, our programs are dedicated to addressing, informing, and understanding the most burning political, economical, and social issues.
Our guests are selected from some of the most credible institutions nationwide with knowledge and issues and subjects that matter.
Our hosts are some of the most celebrated seasoned journalists with years of professional dedication to service.
We remain the most trusted platform in Sierra Leone, so rest assured.
It's your voice and my voice.
Are the best.
I am Salma Taba, television executive producer. I produce programs on both radio and television. I'm a news anchor, a presenter, an announcer on radio. I enjoy what I do because I serve a public service broadcaster. It's a pleasure to work with the SLBC. I am Tilly Koma, Head of News and Current Affairs Unit, Sangam Broadcasting Corporation. Our news hour now covers several segments. We have entertainment, business, weather, sports, ferry schedule, and human interest stories, not forgetting politics. We are doing all that to keep you people posted on what's happening all over the country. Thanks for being with us at SLBC. Keep blue. We are the best.
Well, Famul, as we say, we there na the Freetown International Airport, Usai, President Julius Maada Bio, they can bid farewell to the Gabonese Republic President. As we know, on Sunday, Salone play host, so the President will come on a 3-day working visit na Leone for can discuss diplomatic ties. And as we say, we don't give an updates from the day where the President land the meeting, because we Vice President when Dr. Mohamed Junior Jallo can receive him na the same side we dey so then begin a guard of honor where he be landed in Salone with him delegation from the Gabonese Republic. Well, family, we there back for bid farewell to the Gabonese Republic President. We done a 3-day working visit. Well, earlier we be see Usai President Bio begin a tour of the ECOWAS facility where they na Salone so, and he be showing the different rooms them, and even showing the Julius Maada Bio International Conference Center where they na Lunge so. Well, we don't reach now at this time. We become receive the president. Now we there and we see the military band they perform right now. Well, Fambul, as we say, within the Freetown International Conference Center, Usai, we can bid farewell to the Gabonese Republic President, where we can Salone on Sunday. Usai, we can on a working visit to the President Julius Maada Bio na Salone. So, well, at the time where we receive the Gabonese Republic President, and also we can receive now the Freetown International Airport Presidential Terminal, we become a receiver. And we get the Vice President, Dr. Mohamed Junior Jallo, now become and receive the Gabonese Republic President, we come on a working visit. Well, we don't come back now the Freetown Terminal, now the Presidential Terminal, Usai, we can bid farewell to the Gabonese Republic President as he done in 3-day working visits in Salone. Well, alias, we don't give an update since Sunday where the president come. We get a meeting yesterday with President Bio in State House, so then we get tete-a-tete. And we will also see Usai, the Minister of Foreign Affairs of both countries, Gabon and Salone, be sitting on a round table, so then we discuss things around agriculture, then we discuss things around transportation, then we discuss things around energy and other things. And we be see Usai, the Minister of Agriculture, be puts forth the thing them where they do as a ministry for just them push agricultural business go before. As we know, say now part of President Bio in agenda for Feed Salone, and it be puts forward all lengths in there. Usai the Gabonese Republic Minister of Agriculture, self be show ways and means how they as a country go collaborate with Salone, so as themselves go push agricultural business go before, because according to them, country where they feeding people them and then they're able to succeed. Well, we also get a statement from the Minister of Energy, who I talk about the thing that when they do for push energy business go before, and we also be get the Minister of Energy Transportation, also then we talk about the different things that they do. Well, as we before this morning, so we then we see a conducted tour where President Bio do with the Gabonese Republic President Usai, then saw the Julius Maada Bio Conference Center, and you know, say Salone now we get the ECOWAS Center now, and Usai, we see Usai, President Bio begin the Gabonese Republic President a conducted tour, and we see from the face of the Gabonese President, we see say he be happy for like. President Bio give this tour to Usai, you see Usai that they get tete-a-tete. And now we then at the presidential terminal, Usai they can see Usai the Gabonese Republic President, they can left the shores of Salone with in team. Well, with the sound of the gun at the back, now the military band, they perform right now. As we get them here, the day we can receive the president, so then we do a guard of honor for the Gabonese Republic president, where it be land na Salonia so. Well, we they get sound from them as they continue for entertaining, till we they bid farewell to the Gabonese Republic president within Salonia on a 3-day working visit, and today the working visit done. Continue for day with SLBC. We continue for give updates as to what's in the happen till the president left the shores of Salone for go back na Gabon for go continue in work.
Wapula.
Well, Fambul, we still there at the Freetown International Airport. Outside, we, as a country, we be talking say we play host to the Gabonese Republic president within a salon on a 3-day working visit. And earlier we outside and saw the ECOWAS facility within Alungeyaso. And also we still saw President Biota can go around and show the different facilities there where they now the country.
By farmers, descendants by leading farmers, forest regenerating, and having partnership with all who have mastered the art of preserving their forest. I think so. They will benefit quite a lot.
What are we expecting finally, and what are Sierra Leone expecting after our?
Well, now that we have free movement of official documents, and we're planning on having diplomatic representations to capture. We'll see the movement of our people back and forth among Sierra Leone, which will enhance trade and investment.
Finally, before I let
your finals are
before I let you go, the Gabonese president made mention of the Sahara State and also mentioned of the ES Sahara State and applauded President Bilos Madabio some of his efforts.
Yeah, absolutely. The function of democracy is peace, stability, and security. And of course, all good leaders definitely speak about security and sustainability. And so the president of Gabon heralded the challenge of the authority and the way security have been handled there in the
So, Fambul, we are with the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation.
Yes, Unakushe.
Okay, so tell us, as the Gabonese president they done the visit today. What's it mean for we as a country?
It means a lot, a renewed relationship, and everything will be okay. I got in power. Thank you. The president.
Okay. Okay, anytime. Well, we dey receive the president now. We will continue the interview with the Minister of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation. Also, I go tell we the benefits where this meeting will get, because as we know, they don't sign the communique with the Gabonese Republic President and with the Gabonese Republic Minister of Foreign Affairs, and the other sign other cooperation agreements, and we'll get for talk to the Minister of Foreign Affairs later. But continue for day with you as we give you updates within at the Freetown International Airport. Usai President Bio, they can bid farewell to the Gabonese Republic President. We can salon on a 3-day working visit now this country. At any time from now, we will receive the Gabonese Republic President alongside President Julius Maada Bio as today na the presidential terminal for Guiana for bid farewell to where he come on a 3-day working visit na Salone. Okay, so we dey get performances from the military band right now as they are now the Freetown International Airport. They perform.
No, the next side is box.
Well, now they see the president, they approach with the Gabonese Republic President, Usai they can bid and farewell as the Gabonese Republic President, they go back na Gabonese Republic after it done in 3-day working visit na the country. So from as we recall, where the Gabonese Republic President be come na the Vice President when Dr. Mohamed Julius Talon and big Steve yeah, so now this exact side Usai it map so the Gabonese Republic President become Kana Salon and we Vice President Usai the military begin a guard of honor. Now the military they do the performance for the Gabonese Republic President where they left Salon for go back na in country. After you don't get a 3-day working visit in a salon. Well, Fambul, we dey see the Gabonese Republic President, the well, Fambulu, we dey see the Gabonese Republic President, they retire now for go na in plane, I see. They na I found for left the shores of Sierra Leone for go back na in country, na Gabonese Republic. They did farewell now to the ministers them, Sierra Leone, as they approach now for go back na in country. So now they see the presidents, them, the two presidents and the first lady there, they bid farewell to each other as the Gabonese Republic president, they return, go in country after they don't get a 3-day working visit in Sierra Leone. Say they can discuss setting them around tourism. In ways and manner way the both countries them go come together as one for push the development business go before. So the president they go now, as now it claim that the airplane for go back now in country. They bid farewell to the people of Sierra Leone. Family they listen and watch as we see the Gabonese Republic president, they go back now in country outside London. I think they work in the city salon. Outside they become for can discuss, setting them around the international cooperation, and also them sign a memorandum of understanding and then sign a communique. Outside where man are them two countries go continue for work together for push the both countries them go before. We're still there. Also, we're giving a live update as to the departure of the Gabonese Republic President who will be there in Salon on a 3-day working visit. We're still there at the Freetown International Airport, and you will listen and watch the SLBC. We will continue to give you updates as we be there, where we receive the Gabonese Republic President, and we're there for getting farewell back as they left the country after they become on a 3-day working visit in Sierra Leone. as you say, we still wait for the Gabonese Republic President for the officials of Sierra Leone as if they don't come on a 3-day working visit or can discuss things around cooperation, tourism, energy and all that in them as we done the give on a live update as to waiting they happen now. Talk International Airport, and earlier we saw Cyprus and Bio. They conducted our Julius Bio Center with the ECOWAS Center in Alonge also with the Gabonese Republic President and in delegation. Well, we're still there as the Gabonese Republic President will enter inside the plane for left the shores of Sierra Leone. We'll be done giving our updates as where the president come and one for him at the same updates where he left the shores of Sierra Leone. We get a host of dignitaries now where they around for can bid farewell to the Gabonese Republic President will be in this country on a 3-day working visit. Awaits the departure of As I say, we still there at the People's International Airport inside the Gabonese Republic President they left the shores of Leone now for go back Gabon, the Gabonese Republic inside the country on a 3-day working visit. Now we see the plane they retreat now for go back Gabon inside the President London in 3-day working visit. Inside the President London in 3-day working visit. Now we see the plane they left for go back Gabonese Republic. As the President on in 3-day working visit. Well, viewers and listeners, as we say, we don't give una updates as to what's in the happen now the Freetown International Airport. Also, we as a country we play host to the Gabonese Republic President. We be kind of the country on a 3-day working visit. Well, now the President don't left the shores of Sierra Leone for go back now in country. Well, we don't continue for giving una updates as to what's in the happen, and now we don't the Gabonese Republic President all left for go. Well, Fambu continue for there with the SLBC as we continue for giving una updates as to what's in the happen. But the working visit where the Gabonese Republic President can do don't come to an end. Well, continue for there with SLBC. One for say plenty thank you to all the one that will be there before for made this production come up fine with Director General when I Joseph Kama and also with Deputy Director General when I asked me about. One for say plenty thank you to Diff Week technical crew and also to me other company them will make this program come up fine. Continue for there with SLBC Public Service Broadcaster as we now you trusted voice for news and current updates. Until next time, me your name na Esther Sako. Goodbye for now.
SLBC is the national broadcaster and award winner for a reason. We produce only the best.
At SLBC, our programs are dedicated to addressing, informing, and understanding the most burning political, economical, and social issues.
Our guests are selected from some of the most credible institutions nationwide with knowledge and issues and subjects that matter.
Our hosts are some of the most celebrated seasoned journalists with years of professional dedication